Let's explore on how to connect Godaddy domain to Google Workspace. Let's begin. Okay, so by this time, I expect you already have your Google Workspace account ready. Now, if you haven't done so, you have two options at the very top wherein you can contact sales for more information, or you can simply hover to start free trial. And let's click on that because it's really important to have your account here first. Now let's get started by putting your business name. So in my case, it's going to be Andy Guide Tutorial, and the number of employees is going to be around 2 to 9. And you need to be specific on the region for your business because you can't put a different location that is geo-restricted. Google Workspace is basically strict on the region. Now, all you're gonna do is click on Next. Now, just follow the on-screen instructions and click on Next. And this part is very important because does your business have a domain? If yes, you can have one. You can have one. Yeah, you can use. Or if you need one, just click on the other side here. But obviously we have one because we're going to connect it to our Godaddy. Now from here, just click on Next. Now, after successfully setting up your Google Workspace, you need to go to your Godaddy account. Now on the dashboard, click on the upper right where it says My Products. And then you will be directed here to All Products and Services. And click on Domains. Now here you need to find your DNS records, and again, finding your domain and setting up is just clicking on the 3-button icon and go to DNS management and choose the manage DNS. Now all you're gonna do is click add at the top of the DNS records right here. Now simply all we're gonna do is click on add new record, and that's gonna be a text format right here. Now, the type is gonna be text, okay, and the name is gonna be @ and the value is gonna be the copied strings on information from your Google Workspace, right? That's gonna be the Google site verification. And once you've done all of that, again, paste the verification code you copied from the setup tool in your Google Workspace into the value field and leave TTL set to default. And again, you need to click the add record button. Your verification code is now saved as a text record and will soon be visible to other computers on the internet. Okay, now you need to go over to Google to verify that code. Now, all you're gonna do is return to the browser tab where you have the Google Workspace setup and open the tool. On the page where you copied your verification code, scroll to the bottom and click Protect Domain. It's very important that some registries may require additional time to publish your verification code. Now, if the Google Workspace setup tool can't find your new text record, wait an hour before you try again. Okay, because from here, all gonna do is add users to your account and activate Gmail for your organizations. And if you need help with the DNS settings, please contact your registrar. They're experts in managing your domain and are eager to help you. And again, just wait for at least an hour before you try all of these steps again. And sometimes you might want to take a look again in the copied value and the text record that you have created to ensure that you didn't create an error by mistake. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.